back to the Ponix Haven and more. We're part 2 of the building a greenhouse, and so we're going to get the walls done today. We've already started on it. As you can see, the wall is somewhat done, so we're going to go through the process, how we're doing the sides, so that you'll have a clean looking greenhouse where you're not seeing a whole bunch of wadded up plastic stapled and stuff on the outside. So stay tuned for how to build a greenhouse part 2. Alright, what we have here is a slat for doing the slat things for porches and stuff. It is, I think, 1/2 inch by 1 inch, or 2 inch, I mean 1/2 inch by 2 inch, to make lattice. You can buy it at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's very cheap. What you're going to need is to drill small holes in it to, as you can see, to put your screws in, because if you just drill right into it with a regular screw, it will split it. So drill your holes first. And what this is, we're going to attach the plastic on the top part to the PVC to have a clean look. So stay tuned. We'll show you how it's done. Alright, we're going to place our slat here against the PVC. You're going to pull the plastic back, get it tight to where you want it. Then you're going to take a 1 inch screw and screw it into the PVC to secure the plastic. Just like this. And as you go up, you just pull the plastic tight. Alright, once you get that done, you're going to pull the plastic back and staple it to the wood. So what this is doing is giving it a reinforcement for the plastic where it won't slip or anything like that. Alright, once you get the plastic done, you take a razor blade and right at the edge of the piece of wood, do not do it in an angle where you are not cutting your outside piece of plastic. You go up it. All right. Turn it off. Alright, once you get the boards up, you're going to fold the plastic back like I showed you, and this is what you should have, a clean cut all the way down. So when we do the sides, you pull the plastic through, get it where you need it, and pull it tight. Drill it into the PVC pipe through the other board. Sorry if I may be in the way of you seeing it. All right, and there you do. So once it's done, you take a stapler gun, and I'll show you what you got to do. See, with this, what it's doing is you've got a cleaner look on your greenhouse. You don't have a bunch of wadded stuff outside. So what you do, you fold it up, cut off a little bit of the excess, and then leave you some that you can come back and you can staple it on there. Here is the outside of the walls. You see how the plastic is real clean all the way. All the way. Alright, this is the inside. After you have attached the walls to the boards, you have two boards here now. As you see, two strips of boards. They're screwed together into the PVC, and then the plastic about 6 inches is wrapped. All of it's cut off except 6 inches, and then it is wrapped and stapled to make sure the plastic won't slip. As you can see, I hadn't done the top yet, so all the way around. And the other side's the same way. Now I've got some fans installed now, and that's for my next video how I did that. So, alright, this is the end of the video for part 2. We will go into part 3, installing the fans, cutting out the holes, the vents and the windows, installing the screen, building the door, and installing it how I built it. As you can see, it's already hasn't been installed, but I will show you how I built it. So stay tuned for part 3 of how to build a greenhouse. I appreciate everybody that has watched our videos over the years, and I'm not the best photographer, not the best video producer, whatever you want to call it, but I appreciate all the effort y'all have took to watch my videos, and I hope I have helped you with some issues on how to do some things. But we've got a lot of planned ahead with this greenhouse, putting the aquaponics system. I'm putting 2 floating raft beds. One's 4x6, the other one's going to be a 4x8, and I'm going to install a rock bed. So those are going to be in the future, and I'm going to go through my swirl filter again, upgrades on it, and my biofilter, how I set it up and stuff. So we're going to go into a lot of things that maybe I didn't touch in times past like I should have. So be looking for that coming down the road. And thank y'all for all your for subscribing to my channels. And we have approximately about 1,600, over 1,600 subscribers now. And it's not as big as some channels, but I am very appreciated of all y'all, what y'all have done, and the wonderful comments that y'all have given me. So stay tuned for what's in the future, and I am excited about it. So thank you, God bless you, and see you next time.